7 muscle cars that became legends, the beasts that made history. What happens when you combine brutal horsepower, aggressive styling, and an attitude that refuses to be forgotten? You get the muscle cars that changed automotive history. These weren't just fast cars. They were machines that dominated drag strips, conquered racetracks, shocked their rivals, and became symbols of American performance. From the monstrous 1970 Chevelle SS LS6 to the supercharged 2020 Shelby GT500, each of these 7 beasts represents a different chapter in the evolution of muscle. Some were built for the street, some were engineered for racing, and some pushed horsepower to levels that seemed almost impossible for their time. Today, on Vintage Wheels Chronicles, we're counting down 7 muscle cars that became true legends and left a permanent mark on automotive history. Get ready for massive engines, legendary performance, and some of the most unforgettable American cars ever built. These are the machines that earned their place in the Muscle Car Hall of Fame. Chevrolet Chevelle S454 LS6. This beast was the king of the streets in 1970. Under the hood, it packed a monstrous 454 cubic inch V8 engine. The LS6 version delivered a jaw-dropping 450 horsepower straight from the factory. It could do a quarter mile in the low 13-second range, without mods. That's faster than some modern sports cars. It had an aggressive cowl induction hood that screamed performance. The rumble of its exhaust was unmistakable. Muscle car fans still consider it the high point of the era. Its torque output? A brutal 500 pound-feet. The Chevelle's boxy, muscular stance made it look like it meant business. Inside, it had basic creature comforts, but everything screamed raw power. The 4-speed manual transmission gave drivers full control over its fury. Even the automatic version was blisteringly quick. The Chevelle was also relatively lightweight, which helped it dominate on the drag strip. It came with optional rally stripes and SS badging, making it instantly recognizable. Chevy built it for one thing: speed. Insurance companies feared it. Collectors prize it today, with prices often topping 6 figures. The 1970 Chevelle SS 454 LS6 was a street-legal rocket, and it still turns heads 50-plus years later. 2. 1969 Dodge Charger Daytona. Built to dominate NASCAR, the Daytona was pure muscle and aerodynamics. It had a massive nose cone and a 23-inch rear wing. These weren't for show. They helped it reach 200 mph on the track. Under the hood, it came with either a 440 Magnum or the legendary 426 HEMI. The HEMI version pushed out 425 horsepower. Dodge built just over 500 of these for homologation. That makes it incredibly rare and valuable. The Charger Daytona was not subtle. Its looks were extreme. But every inch of it served a purpose. It was engineered for high-speed stability. It was the first American car to break 200 mph in NASCAR. That feat alone made it a legend. On the street, it could hold its own thanks to all that torque. The handling was surprisingly good for a muscle car. Its drag coefficient was low for the time, helping acceleration. Inside, it had a standard Charger interior with a sporty twist. The Daytona helped Dodge win big on the track and in the showroom. It set the tone for performance cars in the early 70s. It was both fast and futuristic. Today, it's a holy grail among collectors. The Charger Daytona is proof that muscle can fly. 3. 1969 COPO Chevrolet Camaro ZL1. This Camaro was born from a loophole. COPO stood for Central Office Production Order. That meant Chevy could sneak in race-ready parts for special use. The result? The ZL1. It came with a full aluminum 427 cubic inch V8. It was rated at 430 horsepower, but insiders say it made closer to 500. That engine was originally designed for Can-Am racing. It made the ZL1 brutally fast. Only 69 were ever built, making it one of the rarest muscle cars ever. It was stripped of unnecessary weight. No radio, no insulation, all speed. The ZL1 could outrun just about anything on the street in 1969. Its price was nearly double a standard Camaro, which kept production low. But those who bought it got a true monster. It had heavy-duty suspension, upgraded brakes, and a tough Muncie 4-speed transmission. Every part was race-ready. On the strip, it was a giant killer. Today, ZL1 Camaros are museum pieces, and for good reason. It wasn't about comfort. It was about domination. The ZL1 was Chevy's secret weapon, and it still scares the pavement today. 4. 1971 Plymouth HEMI Cuda. The Cuda is muscle car royalty, and the 1971 HEMI version is its crown jewel. With the legendary 426 HEMI V8, it pumped out 425 horsepower. Only 109 HEMI Cudas were made in 1971. It was the last year for the monster engine. That makes it incredibly rare. Its styling was aggressive: quad headlights, shaker hood, and bold stripes. It looked fast, even when parked. It could do 0-60 in just over 5 seconds. For the early 70s, that was rocket fast. It came with a 4-speed manual or 3-speed automatic. The suspension was upgraded to handle the massive power. Inside, you got high-back bucket seats and a rally dash. The dual exhaust had a nasty growl that everyone recognized. The HEMI Cuda dominated on the street and the strip. Plymouth knew they had something special, but emissions and insurance killed the HEMI after 1971. That makes this the last of a dying breed. Today, the 1971 HEMI Cuda is a 7-figure collector car and a symbol of peak muscle car madness. 5. 2004 Pontiac GTO LS1, the rebirth of a legend. In 2004, Pontiac brought back the GTO nameplate. It was based on the Australian Holden Monaro. Under the hood, a Corvette-sourced LS1 V8. It made 350 horsepower and 360 lb-ft of torque. It didn't look like a traditional muscle car, but it sure drove like one. The 6-speed manual made it a true driver's car. 0-60 came in about 5.3 seconds. The interior was refined, with leather seats and real gauges. It flew under the radar, but enthusiasts knew its potential. It was built solid and had room to grow. With simple mods, it could easily reach 400-plus horsepower. The rear-wheel drive layout gave it classic muscle feel. It had independent rear suspension, rare for muscle cars. Handling was sharp and ride quality was great. It didn't sell in huge numbers, but it's now a cult classic. The GTO badge finally returned with real performance. It may not have looked aggressive, but it packed a real punch. The 2004 GTO is an underrated modern muscle masterpiece. 6. 2015 Dodge Challenger SRT Hellcat. The muscle car wars came back with a roar, and the Hellcat was the loudest. With 707 horsepower, it shattered expectations. Its supercharged 6.2L HEMI V8 was a game-changer. It could do 0-60 in just over 3 seconds. It had 2 keys, one for 500 HP, one for full power. Burnouts were effortless. The Challenger's retro styling made it a fan favorite. Inside, it was loaded with tech and comfort. It came with either a manual or an 8-speed auto. Even bone stock, it ran 10s in the quarter mile with slicks. It revived Dodge's performance image in a big way. It was loud, proud, and unapologetically American. It weighed over 4,400 pounds, but you wouldn't know it. The torque could shred tires in every gear. With massive Brembo brakes and adaptive suspension, it could also corner. The Hellcat redefined modern muscle. It made horsepower mainstream again, and it inspired a whole new generation of car lovers. 7. 2020 Ford Mustang Shelby GT500, the most powerful street-legal Ford ever. The 2020 GT500 came with a 5.2L supercharged Predator V8. It made 760 horsepower and 625 lb-12 of torque. 0-60 happened in just 3.3 seconds. It came only with a 7-speed dual-clutch transmission, no manual. That upset purists, but made it brutally fast. Its aerodynamic design helped it stay planted at high speeds. Massive brakes and Magna-Ride suspension meant it could handle two. The GT500 wasn't just about straight lines. It could crush road courses. It had multiple drive modes and launch control. Inside, it featured Recaro seats, carbon fiber accents, and a digital dash. It was both a race car and a grand tourer. It came with optional track packages, including carbon wheels. It was the ultimate Mustang ever built. The exhaust note was thunderous thanks to active valves. Ford engineered it to go toe-to-toe with European exotics. And it did. The GT500 proved that muscle cars could evolve. It honored the past while charging into the future. It's not just fast, it's a monster with manners, and a worthy finale for the gas-powered Mustang era. 7 muscle cars that became legends and changed the history of American performance. The Chevelle SS LS6 brought massive torque. The Dodge Charger Daytona revolutionized aerodynamics, and the COPO Camaro ZL1 delivered factory-built drag strip brutality. The HEMI Cuda became one of the most coveted muscle cars ever created, while the Pontiac GTO helped revive the spirit of the classic performance car. Then came the modern era with the Dodge Challenger Hellcat, proving that outrageous horsepower was still alive and well. And finally, the Shelby GT500 showed just how far modern American muscle could evolve. Different decades, different technologies, but the same obsession with speed, power, and performance. Which one of these legendary beasts is your ultimate favorite? And which muscle car do you think deserves a spot on the next list? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe to Vintage Wheels Chronicles, and hit the bell for more legendary muscle cars, forgotten classics, and incredible automotive history.
Hell yeah. That is awesome.